In front of me is REALME 11 and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Privacy. Following that, tap on Privacy next to Permissions at the top on the right and tap on App Lock. Then hit Got It and tap on the gray sweater next to App Lock feature. If you don't have privacy password already, you need to set it up to use App Lock. In order to do it now, tap on Settings in the pop-up. Then click on Use a different password type and tap on one of the available login methods to set up the best one for you. 4 digits, 4 to 16 digits, pattern or alphanumeric. Now create your login method and repeat it in order to confirm it. Over here you can set up your recovery email just in case and save it by tapping on Confirm. And also answer security question. If you don't like it, click on it, pick one of those. Or if you don't like any of them, select Custom Question at the bottom. Now you get to create it. And tap on Confirm to save it. Remember to answer it correctly below. Finally, select this check mark at the top right corner. Then, to lock any of your apps, click on the sweaters next to them. So when I go back and try to access one of my locked apps, I can see that privacy password is now required. In order to disable app lock from one of your apps, go into the same settings. Enter your privacy password and tap on the blue sweaters next to your apps. To disable app lock completely, tap on the blue sweater next to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!